All right, everyone, welcome back again to the Jamaica Football Championship match day 10. We have True Juice versus champions facing True Juice team, a team that have been for years trying to advance to the league and unfortunately haven't done so. Matchup here with the True Juice starting lineup. In goal we have Kenrick English, Captain Sivian Thompson, we have Vice Captain Deshanil Russell, Ty Wedderburn, Dante Green, Conor Rose, Shaquille Notice, Dwight McKenzie, Raheem Harris, Reniki Anderson, and Romario Taylor. That is the starting lineup for the True Juice Football Club team as we await. And here comes the starting lineup now for the Reno Football Club football team. We have in goal, we have Mark Taylor, George Hemmings, Joshane Foster, we have Vice Captain Javin Williams, Dexter Horton, Wayne Boland, Raheem Carr, Chishmark Raymond, Ryan Smith, Conroy Dixon, and Brad Williams. Interesting to see Javin Williams in the starting lineup. As a lot of reports are going out that he would have been with the U20 team. Unfortunately, that's not the case. Let's see how he performs in this game. Hopefully, everyone is doing fine. Our broadcast is brought to you by sponsors Mile 8 Sport. As we look to have a really good day of football here. Overcast conditions, good conditions for football. I don't expect to see any level of tiredness on the pitch. As mentioned, as I said, overcast conditions, very interesting here. We're supposed to get a game, an intense game, lots of running from minute 1 to the end. Just definitely seems to be a bit of issue. Not sure what the situation is. I think the kickoff should have been 3. I'm not sure they're going for 3:30. I was informed that it's 3 p.m. but a slight delay here in the kickoff. Maybe they're making it official 3:30 game time. That's confirmed here. I already thought that it would have been a 3 p.m. game. So hopefully you guys are doing good. No reports as yet regarding to the other games. Interesting to see. Let me just run back through the starting lineup for the True Juice team. In goal we have Kenrick English. The start the last game out, Jonathan Campbell is out. We have Sivian Thompson, Deshanil Russell, Ty Wedderburn, Dante Green, Conor Rose, Shaquille Notice, Dwight McKenzie, Raheem Harris, Reniki Anderson, and Romario Taylor. Let me go through with the starting lineup for Reno FC. We have Mark Taylor, George Hemmings, Joshane Foster, my apologies, Mark Taylor is the goalkeeper, then Joshane Foster and Javin Williams captain and vice captain respectively. We have Dexter Horton, Wayne Boland, Raheem Carr, Trish Mark Raymond, Ryan Smith, Conroy Dixon, Brad Williams. I think that they're officially going for 3:30 kickoff. Quite interesting here. Let's us. All right, as we set for kickoff now, moments away from action now, as just a slight delay in the starting in the starting of the game, as things have been rectified, and we're gonna get things going now, as it should have momentarily. Right, players still keeping warm. Seconds out for kickoff. Long delay to the start as the referee break away. You can see them go nowhere. About to kick off. Weather condition seems to not improve. Hope we don't get a show of rain. At this moment we're in the wide open. Vivian Thompson. Vivian Thompson set to kick this off one for Shrewsbury FC. And we are ready. This is definitely a long delay in the kickoff. Tough on the players because they're already warm, and to have this delay in the middle of the action, or not in the middle of getting before kicking off the game. I'm sure that after warming up, they would want to just go on the field and get the game going. That's not the case here. That's a minor issue now with the opposite goal. This is a real bad start. Expected a smoother start than this one, unfortunately. That's just the day it is. I assume that just that's the type of day that today is. About to kick off now. Finally, about to get the game on the way as Sylvian goes to start it, and that is it. Referee finally initiate the game. A game that we've been anticipating for so long. Anyways, welcome to the Yorton Sports Complex in the Jamaica Football Championship. We have Reno FC versus True Juice FC. True Juice FC is the home team for this one. As you can see, they're starting direct in 10th. Early action there for Wayne Bolan of the Reno FC defense. As True Juice making their intent very, very clear. Long throw in. Nice work. Slight complaint that the ball is a bit soft. Set to restart play. Reno in possession. Reno in the light blue and white top with black shorts. True Juice in the orange top and green shorts. Here comes Reno in the ascendancy. A long diagonal change, just a nice change. Intercepted there by the centre back. Here comes Russell. Goes out wide, that's a short pass. Taken away. Nice work there by Dixon. Dixon goes across. Oh, he holds up the ball by Raymond. Goes out back to Dixon. And Dixon is on in offside position. Pass inside, cut short. Here comes Reno again. For the home away team, Reno really showing a lot of intent here. That's a nice attempt. Intercepted. The intensity from Reno looks good so far. Over the top. Trying to get behind. That's a nice touch. Back to across the goal. Find Dixon on the header. And ball goes out of play for a goal kick. I press here from the Reno team. True Juice now. Normally they play out from the back. Early tackle here. Here comes True Juice. Nice interception. Nice work there from Brad Williams. Switch here back to Dixon again. Nice first touch from Dixon, unfortunately. Dwight McKenzie was on it early. Carr. Given away there by Orton. One touch pass. That's a nice, beautiful work. Overlapping Wedderburn. Wedderburn with a switch. And he goes across. And goes out of play. That's a brilliant switch there. From Dante Green. Showing a lot of technical composure in the mid of the park. Goal kick here to the Reno FC team. Kenrick English in goal for True Juice. Mark Taylor in goal for Reno. Mark Taylor to boot this one out. Goes long to find Dixon. Dixon and Mackenzie challenge there. Conrad Rose asks for something. And that one goes out of play from Dixon. Was trying to find Smith. Sivian. True Juice now in possession. Wedderburn. That goes out of play there. Here comes now Reno, trying to play from the back. Intercepted. Pass along the line. Here comes Vivian. Couldn't control that one. Javid Williams now. Williams goes out wide to find Dixon. Nicely done by Mackenzie. Here comes Russell. Goes right home. Back. And nice work there. Switch up play here from Renique Anderson. Oh, nice attempt from cheeky attempt from Dante Green. Ball go to play. First advancing too much. Seems to be another problem with the ball. Throw in there. Switch from Henderson. Jevin Chester ball inside. That support work there. Nice defensive work again from Javin Williams, a youngster. Taken away. Here comes Mackenzie with a big switch to find Dante at the back post. Dante in possession. Not looking for support. Nice attempt there as he tried to go across and he wins a corner. Trying to do a bit of trickery there. But he wins a corner from it. Dwight Mackenzie to whip this one in. And our wonderful left foot. True Juice had a lot of numbers in the box. All Reno FC players are inside the box to defend this one. Taken short. Whip inside. Defensive duty done there. Here comes True Juice with a chip to the back post. Straight into the palms of Taylor. Boots that one down long. Anderson's there. Taken down nicely. Support is there from Anderson. And Conroy. Pass inside. Given away. Rose. Anderson. Inside. Nice one-touch pass there from the True Juice team. As they switch the point of attack. Quite nice and smooth. Look for support inside. Notice is on the ball quite consistently. Given away by Notice. As Rose tried to pick that one up, unfortunately couldn't. Nice bit of tempo controlled by Foster. Foster again. Goes out wide. Nice bit of work there by Williams. Williams goes inside with a whip. Anderson is there just to block that one out. Welcome again, people. If you just joined us, we're at the Yurton Sports Complex. We have True Juice FC versus Reno FC in the Jamaica Football Championship. Broadcast brought to you by Mile 8 Sports. You're watching here live on MG Sports TV. Live commentary by Murray Dakers. That's a dangerous ball. No one is there. Here comes a chance. It's Reno FC with a chance, a shot. Dix is there and he couldn't take that one. Unfortunately, big opportunity there for Reno as Ryan Smith was on mark to get off an early shot. Unfortunately, didn't take it fast enough. Here comes True Juice again, the long ball over the top. Dante goes inside. Rose. Big switch there from Green. And goes out of play. Mackenzie to take that one. Keeper. Inside. Mackenzie with a whip. Here comes racing through Reno FC now. Unfortunately. Smith couldn't hold on to that one. Goes out of play for throw. Anderson take a quick throw in. Harris whips that one in, giving away. Nice turn. 1-2 pass from Dixon there. Giving away again. A lot of turnover here in the midfield, middle of the park. Inside. Pass inside. This is a physical battle so far. Nice pass over the top. Here comes Williams. First touch. Beautiful first touch to beat Harris in that. Graham. Giving away there. Rose. With a nice pass down the line. Here comes True Juice in dangerous position. And he goes over the ball. Trying to make space for himself. Here comes Rose. Look inside. Notice. Goes right across the field. Mackenzie. Mackenzie with a shot from way out. Notice is there. Nudge away from by referee. So that's an infringement. As Smith nudged that one away from Green, from Lawrence. My apologies, Green. Ante Green. Free kick here to True Juice. As Mackenzie goes to stands over this one. I believe he's going to go straight at goal. He has a wonderful left foot. Can really ping this ball. Goes for the shot from way out, and it didn't come off as though he wanted it to, unfortunately. No. Here comes True Juice now. Goes right across. Anderson. Goes across to Harris. Over the top. Fine. Wedderburn. Nice pass here. And he's in behind. And ball goes out of play. Couldn't keep that one in. As mentioned, this game is so far has been more of a physical encounter. Goes long. Nice jump there by Notice. Oh, that's a high boot, and that has to be a booking. High boot there. Practical in the chest. Jevin Williams take this one. Whip that one to the 18-yard box. Smith. Here comes True Juice now. Russell trying to find Russell in behind. Nice work from Russell as he's taken down. Brad Williams didn't read that one. And I think it was just a clash of bodies, and because both players were looking at the ball. Free kick here to True Juice. Mackenzie stands over this one again. As Brad Williams goes into the book for the referee. Let's see if we're going to get a better delivery here. Referee seeing some infringement here. Having a word with the players. I think Dante Green is involved. Whip inside, that's actually a good delivery to the back post. Who's there? No, True Juice player there to challenge for that one. Rose. Russell is under that one. Goes out, here comes the runners for Reno FC. Goes inside, that's a nice work there to find Dixon. Dixon plays it one time in behind. Mackenzie's there. Nice work from Mackenzie. Sivian goes out wide. Early switch to find Dante Green. And he did. Here comes Notice with a big switch to find Sivian. Javin Williams doing exceptionally well there. Exceptionally well for Javin to leap and block that one. Another free kick to the True Juice team in a dangerous position. Sivian's under this one. Mackenzie's there as well. Rose is there. Who will take it? Mark Tiller sets his wall. Look at me, I see. Hey, yo, pull it out. Referee, see another infringement. Finally now we're gonna get off with a free kick. Shot at goal. And a loud cry for handball there. Here comes Anderson. Taken away. Throw into Reno FC team. Fall there. Right, high with a burn. In the fullback position. So it's a free kick to Reno FC. That's Rashawn Graham. With that one in, that's actually a nice delivery to the front post. No one gamble on that one. Long throw from the goalkeeper. Russell, support inside. Nice pass back. Clean up on aisle 2 from Dexter Arton. Throwing it to the True Juice team. Inside, here comes Rose. Support is there, taken away by Dixon. Dixon doing a lot of work here. Mackenzie with a whipper to the right with the right foot. Wedderburn. Support is there. Wedderburn look for the oh, cross comes in and it goes off for a throw. Dante Green doing a lot of work over there on the far side. Corner here to True Juice. Pretty much an even game so far. Evenly contested matchup. That's a good delivery. Chance here and a beautiful save from Mark Taylor. As Raheem Harris goes across from a wonderful delivery from Mackenzie. Glancing header from Harris. And a brilliant save from Mark Taylor. Russell to whip this one in. That's a good delivery again. Chance here. A placement shot there. Fortunately, not much was on that one. Anderson boosts that one out. Goes out wide. Here comes Rose. Rose to Mackenzie. Mackenzie looks up for the whip. Dante Green's at the back post, calling for it. Notice comes short for that one. Taken away there. And that's a bit too heavy there. Easily dealt with by the True Juice defenders. As goalkeeper, English come and claim that one. Both inside to Sivian. Sivian finds his head on that one. Javon Williams is there and he clears that one. As the Reno FC defense is coming under sustainable pressure. Wedderburn look for support. He finds Rose. Rose in a good position always. Back to Wedderburn. Goes out wide to find Green. Lante Green goes inside. Here comes, oh my word! And it's Russell with a snap, quick snapshot. A quick snapshot, unfortunately. A little bit more composure. And he might have seen a little bit more success in that one. Unfortunately, for him, didn't get the proper technique to it. Couldn't hold it down. Unfortunately for the Reno defense, it remains the same. The execution was poor from Russell. Taylor boosts that one out. Wedderburn is on it. Takes it down nicely. And Green couldn't keep that one in. Throw into the Reno FC team. Ball goes out of play. Reno take a little time and just taking their time to get the ball closer and closer to the True Juice FC goal. Just to get an opportunity. So far, most of the clear opportunities would have come the True Juice direction. Nonetheless, Reno would have shown that going forward they can create some problems. Long throw in. That's nicely taken. Oh, that's a brilliant chance. Nice technique there from Ryan Smith. Goal kick here to the True Juice team. Anderson goes across to Harris. Anderson again. Mackenzie. That's a nice pass here to find captain Sivian Thompson. Couldn't hold that one in. Pass inside. Here comes Reno. Nice intent there. The intent was clear from Raymond. Unfortunately, the technique was short. Green. Rose is there. Goes across the Rose. Nice interception. Green again. He's everywhere. Rose. Support is there. Romario Taylor is in support. Unfortunately, bypass Romario Taylor. Goes out wide to find Wedderburn. Rose is there for support again. To support Wedderburn. Back to Wedderburn. Support Rose. Inside midfield. Goes right across Anderson. A bit of possession here from the True Juice team. Anderson finds Mackenzie. Mackenzie look inside. Switch of play here. Green. Wedderburn is on the back post. To the inside, across inside. Unfortunately, Russell was going in. Mackenzie again. Goes on top. And that has to be a foul there. Free kick here in a dangerous position as Rose stands over that one. Rose with a shot. Oh my word! And the glaze off the top of the right part of the bar. That was just unfortunate. Brilliant attempt. He really, really drive his laces through that one. Brilliant attempt there from Conroy Rose. Nice bit of touch here out wide. Unfortunately, Roisin Graham couldn't keep that one in. Switch up play here. Mackenzie. True Juice are now in possession. You have a lot of possession in this game. Green goes inside. Here comes Taylor, Mario Taylor. Conroy Rhodes couldn't control that one. Rose again. Mackenzie. Nice work there. Rose goes for a shot. Oh, good blunder from the goalkeeper. Oh my word. What was that? That certainly. Oh my word. That came out of nothing. They say if you don't buy a ticket, you will never win the lotto. And I'm telling you, Rose definitely purchased a ticket there and got the lucky draw. The keeper must be livid at this moment. Must be frustrated with himself to let that one in. He did hit it well, but I did not expect to see or even to get something from it. But kudos to him. If you have played a game of pool before, there's a great saying, a good shot never goes to waste. Here comes True Juice again. Quick start here from the True Juice team. Goes out wide. Here comes Mackenzie. Whip to the back post. Goalkeeper's there. And he collects that one nicely. Not making that mistake again, I see. Not going out. That's nice work from Graham. Good intent. Russell. Support is here. Notice. Nice work from Notice. That's a beautiful pass from Notice. Inside fine. Oh, nice pass here. Here comes Julius again. And he's taken down and referee said penalty. Referee said penalty. And that was, I don't know what to say about that one. That's definitely an interesting one. Referee said penalty to True Juice. as Sivian went through 1v1 with the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper stand his ground. Referee deemed that the goalkeeper would have taken him before the ball and awarded a penalty. A penalty awarded to the True Juice. As Notice takes up the ball to slot that one in. A lot of discussion fills around in the play to rectify if it was actually a penalty or not. A lot of discussion being had around it. As you can see the frustration on the face of the Reno FC players. A lot of disappointment there. From my initial thought, I thought that it was clean on that one. I thought so. Notch Notice to take this one. On a normal basis, it would have been Sivian. But he was the one who was fouled. Notice versus Taylor. Who will win this 1v1 battle? As here comes Notch to take this one. Notice. Saved by the goalkeeper. And it was deemed the keeper came off his line before the penalty was kicked. So it was a call for a retake. Oh my word. A bit fortunate on that one. And referee said a retake.
Shot me all man, I would have kicked that in a blood clot goal. Pass that in a goal.
Notice to retake the penalty. The retake is there. Referee warning the goalkeeper not to come off his line again. Will we see another save? Notice again. Notice versus Taylor. And he misses again. Oh my word. This is so funny. This is football. This is football culture. Throw in there. Balls go. This is crazy. This is crazy. This match is gonna go down in history. Restart of play here. Goalkeeper taking a deep sigh. Play out from the back. Here comes Javin Williams. Goes long over the top, trying to find Dixon. Cleared up by Mackenzie. Here comes shot there on goal. Reno FC now definitely wanna take things in their own hand and make this a game for themselves. Foster. Back to Foster. Trying to go across. Here comes Rose. Rose finds Mackenzie. Mackenzie with a big switch. Dante Green chases. That's a nice touch. Goalkeeper. Fortunately thought it was a back pass, but it wasn't. Here comes Shooters again. Taylor. Here comes Reno now. And that has to be a foul, as referee said. Here comes Richards. Out wide. Switch to the back post. Goalkeeper's there. If goalkeeper blunders. Back pass here. Here comes Anderson. Back to Mackenzie. Mackenzie goes inside. Giving away. One time shot at goal. Oh my word. That's a brilliant attempt by Richards. My apologies, Roshane Graham. Miscommunication there from the True Juice midfield. Here comes Sivian Thompson. Support is there. Back to Harris. Harris goes across. Taylor. Nice work there from. Goes straight to the palm of the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper plays out to Javin Williams. Javin Williams looks to go long. Over the top. Nice pass from Javin Williams onto the ties of Raymond. Raymond tried to go inside. Harris is right there. Referee said a foul there. Free kick here to the Reno FC team. Raymond stands over the ball. Will he go direct at goal? We're approaching 45 minutes. Referee added 2 minutes. Free kick here. He goes straight at goal. And he keep that one literally outside of the facilities. Goalkeeper goes down. That's Kenrick English. Back on his feet now. Javon Williams doing some extra ball boy work to ensure the restart of the play in a timely manner. Here comes True Juice again. Goes across. Harris. Harris back to Notice. Notice goes across to Anderson. True Juice now using the full width of the pitch. Russell. Anderson. Goes to the goalkeeper. English. English with the ball at his feet. Goes across to Harris. Harris goes inside to Notice as True Juice beat the Reno FC press quite easily. Green. Nice attempt there from Green. Taken away. Here comes Reno FC. And ball goes out of play. Just seconds now to go as we finish the first half. And the ball, that definitely should be time. Free kick here to Reno team. Goes inside. Out wide. Intercepted by Wedderburn. Green. Notice goes across. And goes straight to the palm of the goalkeeper. And the referee calls the minutes for the first half. And that is it for the first half. And it is True Juice FC 1, Reno FC 0. Crazy first half. Crazy first half. Opening goal by Connor and Rose. We have seen a lot so far. Connor and Rose with a shot from about 25 yards out. Goalkeeper fumbles. Ball drop in the back of the net. We have a double penalty. Initial save. Retake. Back again. Big save there again for Mark Taylor. Next penalty. Straight onto the bar. The crossbar. Went out of play. So it has been an interesting first half here. As you can see. As we can go now to say it has been a fruitful first half for True Juice FC. Very unfortunate first half for the Reno FC team. As you can see, we're here at the Yorkton Sports Complex. It is True Juice FC 1, Reno FC 0 in the Jamaica Football Championship. Broadcast sponsored by Mile 8 Sport. As we bring it back with the second half. Join us back for the second half, people. All right, we're back with the second half, people. It is True Juice versus Reno FC. As we look to kick off the second half of this encounter, it's certainly set to be a very, very good matchup at this present moment. True Juice is leading 1-0 as we kick start the game. Goal courtesy of Connor Rose. Huge blunder from the goalkeeper. Here comes Graham. Referee said a foul there on Ty Wedderburn. So stop the game too much, man. Mash up the fucking football. So set forward for kick. Free kick here to the Reno FC team. Taken by Bolan. Goalkeeper claims that one nicely. Nice work from English. Here comes Rose. Wedderburn. Back to Rose. Support is there. Goes home to Harris. Harris goes inside. Sivian. Back to Harris. Over the top. Nice work. Here comes Green. Green goes across. And no one is there. Oh my word. What was that? Nothing in that one. Here comes Reno now in possession. Reno looking to kickstart the second half in flying colors. Very, very unfortunate what happened and took place in the first half. Mackenzie. Oh, nice work from Russell. And that's a harsh tackle. Really harsh tackle. Cross whipped in. Notice. Taylor drives forward, goes out wide. Here comes True Juice again. 1v1 chance here. And he's taken down. Hold on to the ball a bit too long. It was Russell. Over the top, giving away there. Anderson. Taken down nicely by the goalkeeper. And the player's down. It's Javin Williams on the floor. And he's up on his feet. Restart of play here. It's going to be a drop ball. Goalkeeper goes out to Harris. Goes inside to find Wedderburn. Green. Green back to Wedderburn. Back to Green inside. Oh, that's a poor pass. Have to be clear. That's not a good work there from the centre back, Brad Williams. corner here to the True Juice team. As True Juice look to increase their lead. And the Reno FC team looking to find an equalizer. Cross comes in. Oh, that was Russ attacking the ball. Here comes Taylor. Green. Nice pass here. Nice work from Green. Transition here. Goes out wide. And it's poor work there from the Reno attackers. Perfect opportunity for a counter. But just a little bit too slow on that one. Ball goes out of play for a goal kick. Reno have to step up their intensity and their precision. They want something from this one. Here comes. Nice work. Here comes Green. 1v1. Whatever in support. Chance. Taylor. Sivian. Top of the edge of the 18 yard. Goes out wide to find. Nice work there from Graham. Good defensive recover from Graham. Free kick here to the Reno team. Chip pass from Jevin. Trying to find Graham. Good defensive work there. Here comes Harris. Harris goes right across to find Anderson, who's been the pinnacle of the centre-back position now for the True Juice team. Mackenzie. Anderson goes across. Harris is there. Support is here. From Wedderburn. Rose. Nice work from Rose. As Taylor calls for support. Mackenzie, nice work there. Some nice 1-2 passes. And referee stopped that one. Giving away. Soft pass there from the midfielder notice. Green. Support is there. Overlapping from. Nice work there. Here comes Wedderburn with a whip, and a bit too heavy on that one. Ball goes out of play. Throw in here. Ty Wedderburn to take it. Goes on the line. Sivian in support. Nice work there. Brilliant work from Carr. With a switch, find Dixon. Go straight to Mackenzie. Williams. Foster. 1-2 passes. The referee said nothing there. Wedderburn. Harris is there in support. Green. Tricky player. Goes right across to find Mackenzie. Mackenzie goes to notice. Green back to notice. Switch there. Sivian is here. Here comes Rose. Green on the top with a shot and goes wide. Taylor pass out to Williams. Williams goes over the top. Anderson deals with that one nicely. Mackenzie boots it out. Foster. And that is a penalty. That was interesting. A penalty here to the Reno FC team. Referee said penalty on that one. I'm not sure what was going on there. Let's check in. Let's look at the replay to see what's happening here. That was quite interesting. He did hit the ball though. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure because he was the one who headed the ball. I don't know. But referee awarded penalty here to the Reno FC team. Foster to take this one. Captain Shane Foster. Referee warns goalkeeper to stay on his line. Here comes Foster. Foster versus English. And it's a brilliant finish from Foster. Brilliant finish. Nicely taken there. Now the game has been leveled 1-1. Reno supporters are now loud in the stadium. Restart of play. Can Reno travel away from home and nick 3 points here from True Juice FC? Here comes True Juice now in the attack. This is definitely a really good encounter. Here comes Reno now. Trying to get forward. Anderson. Big switch there. Graham. Taylor. Here comes Foster. Beautiful pass over the top from Foster. Straight in the palm of the goalkeeper. As the intent from Reno is clear that they want this one. Very clear intent. Goes inside. Here comes Rose. Wedderburn. Inside to Rose. Nice first touch from Rose. Ball goes out of play. Green. Throw it. Clearance here by Williams. Wedderburn. Fine Rose. Back to Wedderburn. Nice pass here to find Green in behind. And Green trying to give a real cross. Here comes Taylor. Nice pass. Here comes Reno FC now. Intent. Poor pass here from Graham. Anderson. Looks to be tired legs there from Graham. Russell. Nice work from Russell as he get beyond 2. Support is there. Hold on to the ball a bit too long there. And he's taken out by Horton. Far better second half than the first half. Free kick here to the Trojans team. Mackenzie stand behind it. Mackenzie, whip inside. Counter attack here, chance here, big chance here for Reno. Fortunately, just those touches in the final third, not crisp enough. No, notice, goes to Mackenzie. Mackenzie goes inside. Pass here. Here comes Rose. Green. Green and a chip pass inside. Clearance here from the defenders. Oh, chance here. Here comes Russell. Russell with a whipper. Straight in the palm of the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper boosts at one on. Setting to launch his strikers. Graham. Tricky outlet so far in this game. Support is there. Let's take on Weatherburn. Nice pass. Beautiful pass. The fine Boland, but unfortunately, Boland couldn't get around there quick enough. As Harris takes this one out of the defense. Push the team forward. Goes long. Green is there. Javin is there. Nice taken there. Goes inside. Here comes Rose. As it goes inside. Oh, cheeky pass here. Didn't come off good. And that's a foul there from Notice. Oh, it's Mackenzie. Double substitution here from the Trojans team. Green is coming off. Taylor coming off as well. Here comes Reno now. Looking for something out of this game. Already locked at 1-1. Certainly, they would believe that they can definitely take home 3 points. Nice work there with a shot. Good first touch from Shamar. Goes out long. Harrison's it. And that's a foul. Took a bit longer to blow that one. Free kick here. Graham was in a good position. Can they get something here? Will he go direct? Goes at goal. Straight into the wall. Goes out. That's nice work. Brilliant from Harris there to boot that one long. Kept inside. Nice work from Henry. Foster goes over the top to find Graham. It's Graham. Still work. Nice work from Graham. Tricky outlet so far. Nice work. All up play there from Graham. Can he win something here? Would it be smart if he could get a free kick? Henry. Sivian. Wedderburn. Giving away. Raymond. Nice work there from Wedderburn. Sivian was in support. Taken down in his stride. Early pass. Javin Williams. Martin. Foul there in the middle of the park. As the initial part of the game, quite a physical encounter by the matchup. Williams. Chip to the back post. That's nice work. Nicely taken by Graham. Graham again. Was been good so far in this game. Goes inside the midfield. Taken away. Taken out by Horton. Referee said the game is a bit too physical and just want some of the tempo to be. Free kick here to substitution. Dexter is coming off. Dixon is coming off, my apologies. And Raymond is coming off as well. Wagstaff is coming on. Adonias Wagstaff. Maybe he's going to go direct at goal here based off how he sets up. Willie, first kick of the game. And he strikes it. Actually has a good kick in his right boot there. His first action after entering the pitch. Dangerous action as well because Did he warm to come and make a big kick like that? Graham to take this corner. Whipped inside. That's not a bad delivery. And Jevin Williams on the back post couldn't do much with that one. Mackenzie now in possession. Throwing here to the Reno team. Nice work. And goes off for a goal kick. As Keemy Gordon down on the right hand side goes down. Henry. Nice pass here from Henry. Inside is Wedderburn. Wedderburn across. A chance here. Chance and a beautiful finish. Wonderful finish from Rose. And he's back again. Makes it a double. Wheels around 2 to 3 players. Brilliantly done by Conroy Rose to put True Juice in front. I'm sure that the coaching staff will be pretty much disappointed when his defenders there to allow a player to dance around 2-3 players in the box. No one putting a foot trying to get the ball out. And a brilliant finish from Conroy Rose. He has been tremendous so far in this game. Certainly a good performance from the youngster. It is now True Juice FC 2, Reno FC 1. True Juice taking back the lead at home today in the Jamaica Football Championship match day 10. As we restart play, can Reno dig something special, get themselves back into the game? Tangle there, tussle between Russell and Horton to try and claim that ball. Here comes Nicholson. And the ball goes out of play. Mackenzie to throw this one in. Finds Anderson. Anderson boots it down. Lot of action in the middle of the park. Mackenzie having a third time now with some fresh legs in the likes of Nicholson and Gordon running at him. Booted out by Mackenzie. Throwing near back. Rose was doing a lot of work. He's in the midfield. He's in the defense. Very, very active in this game. Free kick here to the True Juice team. Mackenzie to take. Whipped inside. Notice. Heads that one in. Here comes Henry. Nice first touch from Henry. Russell. Oh, he didn't read that one. It was Wedderburn. He didn't read that one well. Long throw down the line. And that's a foul throw. Oh, that's a foul there. Went straight to the back of the player. Put it out. Throw in here. Go straight to the defenders. Boot it out. Notice on the collected nice. Shamar. Oh, Rose intercepted that one actually. Here comes Reno. Nice work by Harris. Throw in here. Boland takes it early. Kind of rushed that one a bit. Too much haste on that one from Boland. Here comes Harris. Playing out from the back. Referee said it went too far to take that throw. Right around Javin Williams. Very composed centre back for a youngster. Nice pass. Driven pass here. Taken away. Here comes True Juice now. Wedderburn. Given away. Nice turn. Goes across. It's been a heavily contested battle in the midfield here from this game, from the start of the first half. We're still seeing it here. There's a slight drop in tempo, but they have gotten a beautiful weather condition, overcast condition, from about 12 o'clock today, and it's still overcast. It's taken out. Gordon with a whipper, couldn't go across. Mackenzie has done really, really well there. Stop the one from coming across. Early cross. Goes out of play again. As Russell stopped that one. Gordon. Graham, my apologies to take this one. Will he go long this time around? Twice they have taken a short and it reaped the same result. Nice chip pass. That's a wonderful chip straight to the goal. And nice lead there from Javin Williams. Unfortunately, it was not on target. Minutes of play here. You have tuned in here to us live at the Yorton Sports Complex, where we have True Juice FC versus Reno FC in the Jamaica Football Championship. And as it stands, True Juice is leading 2-1. Really good encounter so far. You're watching a live broadcast on MG Sports TV, brought to you by Mile 8 Sport. I'm your commentator, Mario Dakers. Martin giving away there. Rose taken out and hand to the face as well, so it was double inflicted pain on both players. Substitution here. Player still down. As it stands, he's back on his feet now. 10 minutes to go. Can True Juice hold out and secure 3 points? Or Reno can definitely dig deep and take something home back with them to the west side of Jamaica. Anderson, chip pass over the top. I hear Lawrence coming on. Flag is up for offside. Introduction to the pitch with a technical youngster in Tahir Lawrence. Maybe to provide some support for Mackenzie, who has been really good in this game. Now, notice, goes over the top. Here comes Wedderburn. Wedderburn find Russell. Russell goes inside. Whip across. Russell, still Russell in possession. That's a good delivery. Williams was equal to the task. Goes for the shot. He was hungry for that one. That mind was made up already by Deshaun Henry. That decision was already made in his head. No turning back from that one. Double substitution here for the Reno FC team. As Graham is coming off, a player who has been a bright light for them, a very, very good youngster. Really, really good youngster. Caused a lot of problem for the True Juice defenders. A bit of pause here in play, not sure why.
Six minutes to go. To blow out. Come on, True Juice.
At the time one zone.
Give me one more now. Up, True Juice. Come back up. Win up that ball there.
Gordon. And that's a foul there on Gordon. And also on Andrew Nicholson. Free kick here again. To be taken by Adonio Wagstaff. That's a powerful kick. It's not walks off this time, it's daily. Seems to be going straight at goal. Shot at goal. Five minutes of regular time left. Referee gave the goalkeeper, Kenrick English, for time wasting. English now.
4 minutes, Jojos. Kick up the ball. 4 minutes. 4 minutes, Jojos. Kick up the ball. Sure. Just a referee and Miguel in Bergen. Come on, Jojos. 3.5 minutes.
Go short. Goes out. Play. Quick throw in here for the Reno FC team. Bolan goes inside. Boosts that one out. Foster was there. Henry. Nice pass here from Henry. Oh, Shamar Martin trying to back heel there. Javin Williams did it brilliant there in reading that play. Getting himself involved. Stop that from happening. Stop that from leading to something. Here to take this one. Whipped inside. That's actually a good delivery. Clearance here from Jevin again. Who has been a rock for this Reno team. Gordon trying to get involved. Nice work. Here comes Wedderburn. Goes inside to find Notice. Notice goes right across so Mackenzie. Mackenzie find Lawrence. Back to Mackenzie. Giving away. The turnover there. Here comes Reno FC. Can they get something here? Nice pass inside. And not the intent that they wanted. Didn't come off as clean as they would expect it to be. Sure that a bit of frustration would have been there. Tussle there for the ball. Tyre Lawrence. Thrown here to the Children's team. Mackenzie. Lawrence. Given away by Lawrence. Taken back by Mackenzie. Goes inside. Find Shamar Martin. Two players here. Here comes. Reno FC not making use of their chance for counter-attacks. Right across, here comes Russell. Wedderburn, back to Russell. Back to Wedderburn. Nice bit of play here from the Children's team. Giving away. That's a nice pass. And the referee said that's offside. Anderson goes wide out to Lawrence. Poor touch from Lawrence there. Martin. Back to Mackenzie. Taken away there. Reno still pushing for something in the last 30 minutes. Referee hold up. 6 minutes of added time. Definitely not what Chudus would want to see. But certainly an opportunity here for Reno to make something of this. This is sufficient time for Reno FC capitalize on. Straight to the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper fumbles. What was that? Booted out. Here comes. Taken away. Here comes Russell. Russell, that one to the back post. It's Lawrence. Has a left foot. Strikes that goal straight in the path of the goalkeeper. Taken easily. Keeper boots that one down. That's a nice delivery from the goalkeeper. Mackenzie is there. Was that a brilliant game so far? Back to Russell. Martin. Drives out of trouble with the ball. Nice work there from Martin. Just trying to take this thing out of the game. Russell. Here comes Russell. Russell takes in the ball to the far side. Giving away there. Wedderburn couldn't keep that one. Here comes Reno. Nice pass here. Here comes Reno FC. Chance here to take something. And what was that? And the referee said an infringement there. Call made by the assistant. Free kick here to the True Juice team. Anderson to take it. Boot this one long. Three minutes played so far out of the added time. Pass here. Here comes a chance for True Juice. Goes back. Nice defending work there from the Reno team. Russell. Goes across the goal. Notice. Goes back out wide. Notice. Goes out wide to find Lawrence. Some good football here from. And that chip to the back post. And keeper couldn't hold on to that one. Referee said a foul there. Goalkeeper is limping. Goes out wide to find Russell. Russell again. Notice. Goes in time to find Edmund. Lawrence. With a whip to the back post. Russell is there. Whip to the back post again. And Lawrence is in. Edman. Find notice. Martin. Given away by Martin easily. Here comes Reno. Nicholson. Keeper came and dealt with that one nicely. Nice work there. Nice work by Martin. Goes out wide to find Lawrence. Back inside again. Thrown here to the Reno team. As the time, seconds dwindle down. Thrown here to Chuju's team. Referee looks at his watch. Substitution here. Bit of game management here from the Chuju's team. Referee look at his watch. Time dwindles right down. Throw in here, Mackenzie to take it. Referee has whistle in his hands. Throw inside final third of game. Another throw in, still pushing the Reno team defenders deeper and deeper. Mackenzie. Cross goes in. Headman takes it, drives forward. Trying something, a fancy trick there. Goes out for a corner. Chuju still applying some pressure in the last seconds of the game. Free corner here. Will he take it direct? Takes a shot. Reno throwing. This should be the last action of the game. And that is it. That is full time. And it is True Juice FC 2, Reno FC 0. A really good encounter here by the game. Thank you very much, people, for tuning in. This has been a good game, good matchup between two good teams. First goal came by Connor Rose, shot from way out. Goalkeeper blunders with that one. In the first half, penalty to Reno FC taken. Beautiful save by the goalkeeper. Referee said retake a penalty. The retake went hit off the bar in the first half, all in the first half. In the second half, Reno find their equalizer. Then now in the final minutes of the game, we see where Connor Rose double his mark, making it True Juice 2, Reno FC 1. Thank you very much for joining. You're watching MG Sports TV live broadcast brought to you by Mile 8 Sports. See you guys again for match day 11.